There is a cop right over there. Really?
Yeah, you see that shit there? What? Bro, first race is amazing.
Me and his car are like
right there.
Really?
Oh yeah.
You gotta flex. With the
flex for YouTube.
Just let my car warm up. But would you guys go to the car wash?
Yeah, car wash.
Yeah, I saw the
raining
story.
right after, bro.
Really?
Fucking sucked. Dude, literally, I beat him for like half a car.
Really?
Like, it was just fun.
Wow, so it's been a minute since I've made a YouTube video. It's supposed to rain, so hopefully I'll lose a bunch of grip and we can actually slide this thing. It's pretty low horsepower. I haven't even shown this car off yet, but just do a little walk around on the car. This is my 1990 Toyota Soarer, imported from Japan, so it's right-hand drive. Mods so far have just been the NRG seat. It's on 17s and it has a welded diff. So it's pretty low horsepower, makes about 150. It is the 1G engine, so it's the 2-liter inline 6. Pretty slow, pretty quiet, but all around pretty cool motor. And yeah, so here's the car, and I'm gonna go slide this thing, I guess. Some menacing clouds. Check out how dark those clouds are. First couple drops of rain, boys. Let's go. We're gonna go this way. Actually, we're not gonna go that way. We're gonna keep going this way. Nope, I changed my mind. We're going this way. Sorry about the person behind me. He seemed kind of mad, but sometimes you can't make up your mind. It's starting to rain, but there's still no actual rain, so I hope it picks up at least a little bit. Oh, now he's tailgating me. Yeah, he's definitely mad. Sorry, bro. Seems like it just rained over here. The roads are pretty wet. That goes mad. I should have clicked second. I didn't realize it was that slick though. Hopefully I can come across something over here. I don't really see any actual spots yet. I just see roads, which can be slightly sketchy. Seems like the rain might be picking up a little bit though. I think I'm gonna go left here. Just found a spot. There's not really a lot of room to work with there, but nice and slippery. I'm gonna head out before anyone shows up there. So if I can find a bigger parking lot, that would be nice. People love this thing. That's awkward. That's something angle would definitely help with. But hey, shit happens. Spun out in the intersection. I'm not mad. Good thing I didn't hit anything. I'm still chasing this rain though. I'm not giving up on that. Looks like it's going that way, so I guess we'll start heading towards there if we can. I found a decent little spot here. I hope, I mean it's pretty empty, so I guess we'll just hope for the best here. Speed bump. There is a cop right over there. I'm getting out of here. I'm really bad at that. I keep doing this shit and then there's always like a cop right there. I'm hoping if I just leave, then we'll be fine. That was all pretty grippy, but anything counts at this point because there's no open fucking lots anywhere around here. I need a slippery lot again. That was so fun. All those roads up where I was before were all slippery and very slidable. These ones are all like concretey and like chunky almost, so like they're just too grippy. Oh, that broke loose a little bit. Ooh, this might be grippy, but maybe try some first gear stuff. That curb scared me. So did that. What the fuck was that? But the roads are kind of just damp right now. I mean, actually this might be cool. Yeah, this is nice and slippery. Ooh, but it's very bumpy. Truck is just on. See, low horsepower drifting is fun, but you also really gotta chuck it. I was just getting lost. He's definitely coming over here. I'm out. That's funny.